I fairly remember it was a Sunday afternoon when we met Prajar and Praveen. The first question you guys asked me is like, what kind of house do you want? And that time I was completely blank. The answer was, I want a house with bigger windows, and it has to be airy and with lot of light. I have absolutely no idea about how construction works, how design works, nothing. Okay. I wanted to give Anushka a feeling of how I have been brought up in Odisha. See, I have been staying here from last 12 and 13 years, and I feel this place gives us a item on peace, tranquility. When she saw the home for the first time, she was like running, jumping all over the place. She has a personalized room of her own, so it's beautiful.
Her bed also has that pink velvet clean. So that she loves it. She's like, this is my favorite colors, this is my favorite place in the house. So she doesn't let me sit on that bed. She has owned her place. The view you get from that swing from first floor, it's amazing. It oversees the garden, the greenery, the landscape, the open skies, the sunset. It's all amazing. Initial plan when we approached Poetry and they showed us the design. When we saw the initial 3D draft of it, Madhu and me, we both were blown away. First question was, it's definitely not in our budget. Next question to Prajan and Praveed was, how much are we exceeding the budget? But they said that, no, don't worry, it's within your budget. So that's what made us feel so comfortable and so happy, like, yes, this is what a house should be. I mean, you would feel like coming back to home every day after office. It will make you exciting, like, let's go home. I stay close to 20 kilometers far from here, and with my tight schedule, I was never able to come to the site. So what Poetry did was they installed a camera, okay, from where I could monitor the progress. And trust me, I used to come once in 3 months or 4 months in the initial days. Okay, later on towards the end, we used to come little more frequently. See, we didn't take loan for this project. That was the reason we delayed it till the last moment. And we did the backward calculation and planning, like, by this day, if project has to get over, then how much funds we will have. Depending on that, we spoke to Poetry and we told them our financial plannings, like, this is our budget. So they did a backward calculation and they told us, like, these are the slab rates, these are the payment terms. On this day, this much amount has to be paid. So then we went ahead and whatever budget they had told us before, they didn't deviate much. Maybe it's hardly 1% here and there, but mostly it was same which they promised us on day one. We are frequent travelers. We go to a lot of places outside and we have stayed in very premium hotels. So the kind of interiors I have seen there, similar kind of interiors I see in my house. So it kind of gives me a feeling that I am staying in a resort.
So when first time I saw this, I was amazed. It's really going with that theme. It's really looking beautiful. I have not expected that. I was thinking something else. I was thinking dark blue will go with white background. But this color, this part especially, whoever has come to my house, those dining area and kitchen is what they really love because of the color combination and theme.
Let's say the design, the interior, the quality of lighting you have done. Let's say the way you have designed the bathroom in a small space, the bedrooms you have designed, the way the puja room has open sunlight, the provision you have given, even balcony. So all of these, that sit out balcony, all of these are all new to us. Even if I would have designed myself, all these ideas would have never come to me. So these are few unique things I saw here. Even my friends and our relatives who visited our house few days back, they were all like open mouth. Even I have made back-to-back calls. I never felt that somebody getting annoyed with my repeated calls. That part I lied. I have called Prajan, Praveen so many times back-to-back. Within a span of 10 minutes, I would have made 5 calls. They have received my call. They have answered it well. They have taken their time. They have taken the pains to explain each and every part of it on phone. So that part I liked, because as a owner, since I'm pumping money, I need that respect, that attention, which I got. The last part was this fireplace. We had seen it in the images and 3D, but this was the last element which came to our house, and we were all curious like how it would look. But then when we saw it, the quality, the finish, the size, the way it owns up this place. So now this has become the new identity of this house. It really looks good with all these IDs and all, the tree. It, like, when you enter it only, it wins your hand. So I like it. In fact, this was the feedback all our guests have given. So they all love it. I would say that If I have to build one more villa, I'll go with Portrix.